You can see it. Yes, let me keep it right now. Now, today, I am activating your mind to manifest something, and I am giving you a process that you will see the evidence of this manifestation within next 24 to 48 hours. Even some of you see it getting manifested within 2 3 hours or 5 6 hours. Are you excited for it? I'm sure you are. Now, with this experiment, you are going to know that how powerfully your mind works and why it's important for you to focus on what you are manifesting without any resistance, and at the same time why you have to protect your mind from all the unnecessary thoughts or unnecessary talk that you are listening from people. So all of you love a good manifestation experiment, yes or yes? If you love doing the manifestation experiment, or if you have manifested that gift within 24 hours, or money manifestation, or duck or rainbow manifestation before, do let me know in the comment. So what you are going to manifest within next 24 to 48 hours? What if I say that I have already implanted in your subconscious what you are going to manifest in next 24 to 48 hours? Yes, I have already done it without asking you, without telling you. You are going to manifest a purple candle like this within next 24 to 48 hours. Yes, you haven't thought about it until yet, but the moment you saw it and the moment I say that you are going to manifest it, the activation is done inside your subconscious. I have already activated it in your mind, and whether you want it or not, whether you visualize it or not, I can tell you that you are going to manifest a candle like this within next 24 to 48 hours. So many of you, some of you may be going to receive it as a gift, some of you may see it somewhere close to you, and some of you may at least see an image of a candle like this, a purple candle. Yes. Now you must be thinking, sir, I don't want to manifest. Even if you want to think that you don't want to manifest this purple candle, great, have that thought, because this is going to prove that even when you don't want to manifest, but if you think about it or see it, and even if you don't see deeply, visualize deeply, but if you do not have any resistance, it get manifested. And if you are going to see it, you will be blown away with this power, because with this experiment, I'm not asking you to visualize, I'm not asking you to do anything. I have already planted this purple candle inside your subconscious mind. You are going to see it. That's the power of mind you are going to witness. And if you are excited to see how it is going to happen, then let me know in the comment. Stay in the video until the end, so that why it's important to understand how it's working and how can you use it in your life. Now, but before that, I have shown you the purple candle is getting manifested. Now, if you are someone who don't see candle around a lot, or usually all of us has that white candle at home, then it is going to be a manifestation for you. But let's suppose if you are someone who love working with candles, and you have a lot of candles and already have a purple candle, or you are, let's suppose, working in a gift shop where you see purple candle kept around you all the time, then what you should do? Then you will say like, sir, then what is about the manifestation? I already have it in my home. So in that particular case, what you are going to manifest is not going to manifest a purple candle, but you are going to manifest a purple flower. Yes, a purple flower you are going to manifest. So that's what, for those people who already have a purple candle at home, or always surrounded by these kind of candles. For everyone else, you are going to manifest it. Now, why it's so powerfully going to manifest? Because when we do not have any resistance about anything, even when we have one simple thought, it get manifest very, very, very fast. So that's why the power of manifestation that you, I, and everyone have is immensely powerful. Only because we do not manifest many things very quickly, smoothly, easily, because we are getting a lot of resistance towards it. That's why when I ask you to think about a bigger goal, bigger vision, bigger dream, you are not manifesting, or if you are struggling to manifest, it's because you have lot of resistance towards it. That's why it's important to work on removing resistance, and that's why I've been giving you a lot of tool techniques and processes to work on your mind so that you can release resistance and you can program your subconscious mind for manifestation. But when you do not have any resistance, you can manifest random thing just like that. Yes. So this experiment is going to give you that evidence that how powerfully things get manifested. But most importantly, it will make you aware about one of the most important thing, if you are ready for it, that why it's important for you to protect your mind when you are listening to songs, watching TVs, listening to critical people, listening to negative people. Why it's important to also protect your positivity, protect your mind, protect your thought. Because many times when you are watching something, listening to something, deeply listening to someone, especially someone who is close to you or whom you are listening to regularly, maybe a family member, relative, friends, colleague, someone, your boss or a teacher whom you maybe always talk to them and listen to them. So their words has a power to impact your subconscious quickly. Like all of you are watching my videos for some time. Some of you are connected here maybe from 2018, 17, 18, 19, or some of you may have joined recently. Also let me know in the comment when did you join my channel. And as most of you are watching my videos for some time, knowing me, following me as your mentor, coach, and you deeply feel connected with my voice. So there is a part of brain which is deeply connected with my voice, knowing that whatever Ajay sir said, it's good for me, it's positive for me, it's I can receive without resistance. So when I ask you to manifest this, or even when without before asking, when I light up this candle and shown it to you in the beginning, that your subconscious automatically captured this image, automatically start thinking, why sir is showing me this candle, why this purple candle, why not the white, why not the blue, why not the green, why not a red one. So you start already processing this in your mind. And when that's why it is going to get manifested, because you don't have any resistance. This is a very beautiful experiment I wanted to give all of you, that without even putting lot of effort, lot of intention, you can manifest so fast. Having said that, it's important to protect your mind, that whom you are listening. If you listen to many of your friends who always criticize you, if you listen to teachers or relatives who always said negative things about you, or critical about your job or relationship or health or your looks or your talent or your performance, then it has negative impact upon you. So you have to protect your mind, you have to stop listening to them, you have to distance yourself from them. Or let's suppose you are having a good job or you are having good relationship, but you are surrounded by friends or colleague who always comes and keep talking negative about their relationships, about their partner, about their job, about their bosses. And if you keep listening to them, and if you don't have this understanding to cultivate your positive energy, slowly their negativity get inside your subconscious mind. And that's when you start finding fault in your job, you start finding fault in your relationship, you start finding fault in your organization, you start finding fault in your partner. And that's where even your good, beautiful, positive job and relationships start going down. That's why it's so important to you to protect your mind. And that's why it is even said, you are the sum average of the five closest people you have. But let me tell you, you are not necessarily sum average of five closest people you have, but you are the sum average of five things or people whom you listen to regularly. It doesn't matter they are physical friends, they are your relatives, family members, teachers, or they are some random YouTube videos or some coach or comedian or some spiritual teacher or some OTT series or anything. So even if, let's suppose, if you are living alone at home and you are watching all days the series or watching the videos, if you are listening once in a while something funny, and even if there is a little bit of negativity here and there, it's okay, you discard it or you let it go. But if you are constantly watching things, consuming things, listening to songs, listening to OTTs and people, or even stand-up comedians who are criticizing everyone and making fun of everything. If you're watching a little bit, it's good. But if you're constantly watching, then you automatically become critical about you or critical about everyone else. So that is why it's important to protect your mind. And many times, some of you, when you watch this kind of programs or talks or videos which are filled with a lot of criticism or negativity, even in a funny way, even in an entertaining way, you say, you must be thinking, oh, so many people are watching, what's wrong with it and all. Let me tell you, in all those kind of things, only those people who are inside that TV, inside that shows, are the winner. Everyone else who is consuming it and getting affected with that negativity is losing their success, losing their relationship, losing their peace of mind. That's why it's important for you to protect your mind, what you are listening to, whom you are listening to, why it's important. So that when you listen to more and more positive people, more and more positive things, more and more powerful things, more and more beautiful things, more and more things that you want to manifest positively, then you have more of manifestations. So that's the evidence I'm giving you why it's important for you to consume the right content, listen to the right people, and distance yourself from everyone who is giving you negative thought process. That's why I have done this experiment. Now you understand how powerful it is, how I'm teaching you the most powerful way to protect your mind and also what get manifested. So when you are going to see this evidence, come back to this video and let me know in the comment. And most importantly, with this experiment, I have given you one of the most powerful insight about your subconscious programming to protect your mind. Then also let me know in the comment. And in my workshops and programs that you can find on bigmanifestation.com, I teach so many techniques and process for everyone to protect their mind. But most importantly, if you haven't done my 3 hours law of attraction workshop that I have given for free and available here on my YouTube channel, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead, check the link, first link in the description, and do that 3 hours law of attraction workshop. It's for free, but it will be a game changer for you to understand your power of mind, vibrational match, meditate, visualize, set your goals, and know how you are going to manifest it. And if you are new here in my channel for the first time watching my video, then welcome to my manifestation tribe. I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach. For 15 years, I am guiding, training, mentoring people from all walks of life and reprogramming their mind to manifest their dreams, success, growth, and possibilities. And today, with this experiment, you will know when you do not have resistance, how powerfully you can manifest. Yes or yes. So if you are ready to manifest, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, be a part of our tribe. And right this moment, you are already trained your mind to see this purple candle. When you'll see it, come back and let me know in the comment. See you in the next video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.